how to log into your Consumer Cellular account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that you have installed your Consumer Cellular application on your phone. Then you can simply open the application, right? So after opening the application, there's no complicated process. All you need to do is simply enter your phone number and the password of your account, then tap on login, and like that you'll be able to log into your Consumer Cellular account, right? So in here, if you want the application to remember you, you can select this option, remember me, and then log into your account, so that later when you try to log in, it will actually remember your phone number or the ID. So in here, in case unfortunately if you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the option forgot password right here, and then go along with the process of how you'll be able to recover your password. It will ask you some sort of details about you. You can simply fill up all of those details and go along with the process of simply recovering your password account, right? So account password. So in here, if you have in case forgotten your phone number, you can also tap on the need help signing in, and there you'll actually be able to find some sort of solution. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.